another $11,000 this week, last week $8,000, all with ClickBank offer, okay? Promoting it with Google pay-per-click ads, as you can see over here, right? So those are all the daily results that we are getting in. Now, the most important thing when it comes to ClickBank affiliate marketing in 2025 is, if you're a beginner, maybe you have tried ClickBank before or CPay affiliate offers and you have failed, you lost money, you didn't make any profits at all. Okay, I understand how it feels because I used to be there a few years ago. I know how it feels getting first dollar in profit on ClickBank. So the most important thing is this. As you watch this video, you need to understand, with Google pay-per-click ads, we're looking for buyer's intent. The biggest mistake many affiliates, not only newbies, but also other affiliates are making that prevents them to getting to super affiliate levels, making $100,000 a year or more, is to actually not understand that there are curiosity clicks and buyer's clicks. So you need buyer's clicks, you need buyer's intent and the right emotional state of pre-selling to your audience to have this kind of results, as you can see on my screen. So if other people are making money online, if other people can use laptops, Wi-Fi's, and build $1 million businesses and brands online, okay, then why not you? Of course, it's still possible to do it in 2025, going to 2026. So as you watch this video, you can connect with me one-on-one. There's my WhatsApp number, my Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and email. You can reach out to me in the description below under this video.